Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay in your Lexus RX 350. First, ensure your iPhone is running a compatible iOS version, typically iOS 7, 1 or newer. Next, confirm your specific Lexus RX 350 model supports Apple CarPlay. Finally, identify the correct USB data port in your car, which is usually labeled or distinct from charging-only ports. For a wired connection, begin by using a certified Apple USB cable to ensure reliable data transfer. Plug one end into your iPhone and the other into the Lexus RX 350 USB data port. Your iPhone and the car's multimedia display should then show prompts to activate CarPlay. Simply follow these on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If your Lexus RX 350 supports wireless CarPlay, start by enabling both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Then, navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your Lexus multimedia system. Select your iPhone from the available devices to pair it. After successful pairing, your car's display will prompt you to enable Apple CarPlay, completing the wireless connection. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your iPhone and the Lexus Infotainment system. Always ensure both devices have the latest software updates installed for optimal performance. For full voice command functionality, verify that Siri is enabled on your iPhone. Using a genuine Apple cable for wired connections also helps prevent connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.